Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to cancel a class that, for whatever reason, cannot take place. We log into the platform as administrators, since they are the ones who have the ability to make this type of cancellation. From the Overview tab or the Classes tab, we select the class that will not be held. In this case, we choose tomorrow's Adult Pilates. We enter the class and go to the Schedules tab. Here, we select the day the class will be cancelled. We say it was on the 1st of May. We click the day, and we'll see three options: Edit Series, Delete Series, or Cancel Class. We click on the Cancel Class button. In this case, the platform allows you to notify the students so they are informed about the cancellation. We click Yes and write a brief message. In this case, we explain that the teacher is not feeling well. You can include more or fewer details as needed. We click Cancel and Notify Students, meaning we cancel the class and notify the students. And it's done. The class has been cancelled and now it shows in red. As you can see, the schedule changes the color and all students enrolled in that class have been notified. If we go back to the Overview tab, we can also see in the General Class Calendar that the class appears as cancelled. And that's all. Thank you!